Over the Victoria Day weekend, I took my mom to Niagara Falls. This is her first international trip and I wanted it to start with a blast. My name is Arshika and welcome to my channel. What you're about to see is more than just a travel vlog, it's memory in motion. So we are at the Union Station right now and I just made my mom try her first iced cappuccino from Tim Hortons. Mama, कैसी थी?
एक्चुअल टेस्ट इंडिया में भी पी थी बट एक्चुअल टेस्ट कनाडा में
Yay!
Yummy.
So we were lucky enough to find a train that goes directly to Niagara. Otherwise, when I was checking on the Go Transit website, it showed me that I had to get off at Burlington and then we had to take a bus to Niagara, which I didn't want to do. I wanted a direct trip with less and less amount of stops and interchanges. So we found the train and we're sitting in it right now and it's expected to depart in like 5 minutes. So after 3.5 hours, we have finally arrived at the Niagara Falls Go station. We are going to book an Uber. We are really hungry right now and we are going to go eat something and then we are going to check into our hotel. What do you want to have, Mama?
I want masala dosa, Mysore masala dosa.
Yeah, it's good. What do you want to drink? Cocktail? Cosmopolitan?
Only Coke.
Diet?
Yes, diet.
Okay. Now we are going towards the boat cruise. Did it the last time when I was here with my brother, and now it's my second time, and I'm taking my mom with me. She's wearing a dress right now, and she was like, "Oh my God, am I not gonna get, cold or something like that?" I was like, "No, don't worry about that. Just chill, enjoy." Took a lot of pictures and did a whole photo shoot here, and I'm just so happy that when I came around this time last year, I was looking at the falls and all I thought was, oh my God, when I'm gonna get the chance to bring my parents and when will they get to experience this thing? And today I am able to make that dream come true and I'm just so very, very happy. The cruise is basically US side also does it and Canadian side also does it and it costs around $45, which I think includes the taxes. So if you're someone who's bringing their parents for the first time or if you're coming to Niagara for the first time, you should definitely plan your trip ahead. It's a pretty good experience. So that's the USA side. So what you do is you get on these ferries, they give you a raincoat and you go in towards the mist that is the Niagara Falls. Like there's one boat right there. So it goes there, turns back, and gets you back to the shore. So I have the tickets, and we are going. So they just took a picture of us, and they also gave us a scanner, a QR code. With that QR code, when we are done with everything, we can ask them to give that picture to us, a developed picture. Our raincoats are on.
Very nice.
So fun. So we're done with the boat cruise. It was so fun and my makeup is all off. Like I had mascara on and you can see my eyes are turning black because the mascara melted literally. Now we took an exit from here and we are in the gift shop and my mom is looking for very pretty fridge magnets. Although they're a bit expensive obviously because it's a tourist spot and the gift will be a bit overly priced, but I'm gonna get her a pretty looking fridge magnet. So they have the tote bags, then some plates, dream catchers. Everything is just so pretty. I wanted to buy one of the tote bags, but it's like $50. Not gonna get it. They even have some jewelry, some t-shirts and sweatshirts that say Niagara Falls. That's the exit. That's a patio, so you can have your coffee there. And then more. Everything is just themed. We have scented candles as well, some cups, and let's go exit. So now we are headed back to our hotel room. We're doing that because my mom's a bit tired. There we're just gonna change our clothes because we were wearing dresses and all our dresses are wet from the bottom. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my hotel room. That's our washroom. Bathtub. So we are checked out of our hotel room today and heading back to our home. I was not able to make any videos at Clifton Hill because my phone battery died. That we are just waiting for our bus now, which will take us to Burlington. From Burlington we are going to take a train to Union, and from Union we are going to go home. So the bus is at 10:52, so there's still 10 minutes left. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do like it, share it and comment. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.